Please, turn it up a bit.
Are you afraid yet? Bucky isn't afraid. You think I'm just gonna lie down and take it? I'm so glad you got here, Timmy. The jock's taking over. You gotta get us out of here.
How's it going?
Good day.
Hey, hey.
Fatty has arrived. I gotta go, Jimmy. Laser Vikings is on.
Oh, Granny's gonna be so angry.
I will make you hurt all over, maggot!
Now I'm gonna whoop your ass! Time to back up your trash! Out of the...
Help!
And action.
Somebody save me!
Help me out! Thanks, Timmy. That's great.
Help!
I just want you to know, I didn't mind that contact.
Click.
Somebody save me! Your task is complete, brave knight.
I gotta hit this.
I shall name thee!
You're going down.
Right there!
Are you afraid yet?
Stop moving
Bucky isn't
around.
afraid. Gee, thanks.
Pardon me.
Bump me if you will. Don't bother me none. Granny's always talking about weird stuff. She's pretty smart though.
Your task is complete, brave knight.
I'm done.
I felt the fire. Need to smash some nerves.
My mommy says that lots of kids pee in their pants, and it's
So what if I'm confused and I'm not? I'm bored.
Hey, what's
Let
up?
me out of here. Huh?
so bored. I wish something would happen. I can't believe you are worse than me.
I told you not to push me.
Crotch up yours. Butts are gonna roll.
The pretty critter. Make him cry.
If I took a couple of pears from Mr. Burton,
Your fellow
maybe.
Woolworth Academy.
Dr. Kravisnich would like to wish the football team the best of luck.
Never amount to anything.
In this assignment, I'd like you to pay particular attention to the emotions you experience and try to get them onto the page. certainly captured my character, I think.
That's right! There we go. Done.
Ted Thompson called me his little buddy.
One time I spent a rumor about a girl and then she ran away.
You want to see assertive?
Can you help me, sir?
Sorry.
Why are
Excuse
boys
me.
so confusing? I just don't get
I
them.
practiced for years of my own.
Oh, Hopkins, good to see you.
Make it quick, Ernest.
Now, as our new leader, I have something I need you to do for me.
What?
I mean, look, do you want to take down the jocks or what?
Of course I do.
Yes, well, I have a plan.
Okay, what is it?
Well, what I need are some inappropriate pictures of someone they care about.
You want pictures?
Yes, it's a complicated plan, all right. I need some naughty pictures of that Mandy girl.
I'm sure you do, but what has that got to do with this?
This is purely for the purposes of this plan. I'm not like that at all.
You want me to get incriminating pictures of the head cheerleader just for your plan? The kind of pictures that could land me in jail or worse?
It's not easy being the boss.
Man, this better be good.
Shaved my chest.
Keep trying. Maybe one day you'll get it. Oh my god, this is disgusting. I'll have to go change. Oh my god. Can't wait to get out of these clothes.
Bye. You like this, you prick?
Is everything okay in there, girls? Have you finished your homework?
Ah, much better. Now I'm ready to dazzle everyone with my charisma and popularity again. This is much better. I hope it doesn't make me smell like a nerd.
Trespassing is one of my least favorite crimes.
Perhaps it was out you little worm. You better run the class right.
I've got some nice pictures for you.
Oh, I can't wait to see them. I'm an avid student of anatomy, you know.
That was easy.
I don't want to see any trouble. Your butt is mine. The law
At least I
always
didn't get
wins.
expelled.
All right, you feckless maggots. We'll be playing dodgeball for the next while. Ah, dodgeball. How I love the sound of boys crying in the morning. Much like real life, the strongest will prevail. All right, you lazy bums, look alive! Good! Hopkins, you're with the wimps.
We're gonna win because we're better!
You're pretty dumb.
I'm gonna tell on you.
This is my time to shine, so just know that!
You know, I'm better than you.
We're on top. You're outclassed and outmatched.
You better be ready to lose, because I'm ready to win!
I'll show you who's the best. Me.
Bucky doesn't
that I'm an
lose! That wasn't my fault, tell you that much!
You're still gonna lose, Mustard Stein?
You better be ready to lose, because I'm ready to win! Oh yeah! How great was
We'll get
that?
them next time. You are going to that one of us victorious. Me.
This is my time to shine, so
I'm not
just
afraid
know
of you,
that!
loser brain.
I don't even need to buy my victory against the likes of you. Sure, savor the only victory you'll ever win in life.
Watch and learn, suckers. I'm done.
You want some more, loser?
I'm gonna bust your gut up and watch. I have decided.
Oh, here he is, Mr. Big. Oh, can't you just get lost?
Or help! We're trying to get out of here!
Come on, Muscles. We've not got long.
What are you talking about?
The jocks are coming to kill us. Oh, thanks to you and your sordid little pictures.
You wanted them. You're the sicko.
Oh, a healthy interest in sexual matters is natural during puberty, bud. That's why I was having those dreams. Anyway, this is not important right now. I am about to die. We all are.
When are they coming? What about your famous defense system?
Oh, it's broken, okay?
Can't you fix it?
I need a bit of time. We have no time. We're dead. Dead! I love you, my friend!
Look, you fix it, I'll hold up the jocks. Now, where's that gun thing?
Get out of here, you sickos!
Coming in, you
We're coming
dogs!
to
We're
get
ready
you!
for you, nerds!
Doomed! These feelings are natural, and I'm about to die for them!
Just go fix the defense system and I'll take care of the goons.
Come on, you wimps!
We're coming to get
Get out of
you!
here, sickos!
To the barricades!
The outer barricade has been breached! Fall back! Jimmy, get to the spud cannon! It's our last chance!
Was that it? I can't believe it.
Hold them back with a barrage of potatoes, Jimmy!
This is actually kind of exciting!
You can count on Jimmy.
Hey, Jimmy. I've had a brilliant idea. Another one. Many are called, but few are chosen. Luckily for you, I've chosen you to help me carry out this little masterpiece. My finest work.
What are you talking about, you lunatic?
I'm talking about what we're always talking about, amigo. About bullying the bullies. About my favorite dish, revenge.
Revenge? Against who?
Who do you think? The football team. Those overdeveloped, underbrained lords of our little manor. Reduced to a bunch of sniveling wretches. Bowing down to my...
You mean our
I meant our superiority. Us ruling like gentlemen over the peasants.
Us?
Us? Yes. You ruling, of course. Me offering some sage advice. Doing all the thinking. That sort of thing. Merlin to your King Arthur.
Whatever. What's the plan?
Well, first, we need you to get the school mascot costume.
And how do you suggest I do that?
Well, go follow them. Wait for us to distract the gorillas. Go! While we still have hope!
Totally respect me when I'm the mascot.
You bored me. I'm gonna pitch it to you. Love me.
Leave me alone, jerk! Okay, for your win.
I'm gaining on you, and it's only a matter
Stop
of
that!
time.
What's your problem, man?
You could hit a truck. I'm going to nip your truck in the butt.
What are you doing?
You ain't getting away from me. I'm gonna get you. I'm gaining on you. I'm a physical specimen. You can't outrun me.
You are so annoying!
Gaining on you, and it's only a matter of time now. Come on, man! Come on! You ain't getting away from me!
You're so... Help me, guys! Jimmy's being a jerk!